Our recipe for today: ground meat lasagna with sliced olives and mushrooms. Ingredients: 1 pound 2 ounces of grated cheese, preferably the type that can be grilled, 1 pint of cream, 3.5 ounces of sliced olives, a small can of mushrooms in pieces, 16 ounces of mashed tomato, chopped or powdered onion, to taste. In our case, we used powdered onion. Half a teaspoon of ground pepper, some garlic cloves, chopped or powdered, to taste. Here, we used garlic powder. Salt to taste. Pasta for lasagna, as required. 14 ounces of ground beef. Good quality. Fry the meat with a bit of oil, together with the garlic, pepper, onion, and salt. Once the meat is done, add the mushrooms and olives. In the end, the mashed tomato is added. Stir well and let it boil over low heat for about 10 minutes. In a container with enough water, add salt and a bit of oil and let it boil until the paste has the desired consistency. The already cooked pasta strips are placed on a surface that does not stick, such as this sheet of aluminum foil. A refractory mold is rubbed with butter and the first layer of pasta is placed. Place a layer of ground beef on top, then a layer of grated cheese, and finally a little milk cream. Over this, another layer of pasta is put on. A layer meat, followed by a layer of grated cheese, a little bit of cream, and so on, but in the last layer of pasta you must place only a layer of grated cheese with some cream. Once the layers are finished, bake for 10 minutes at 302 degrees Fahrenheit. It can be accompanied with your favorite salad. In this case, we use a simple lettuce salad in strips with strawberry halves. A delicious dish the whole family will enjoy. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.